In today's video, I am going to teach you how to freeze top row and first column in Excel. This is a very useful Excel feature when you are working with larger spreadsheets and want to keep important headings visible while you move through your data. Freezing the top row helps you keep your column labels in view, so it is much easier to stay organized and avoid confusion as you scroll down the sheet. To begin, go to the View tab at the top of the Excel window. This tab contains several tools that control how your worksheet appears on screen, including the option for freezing parts of your sheet so they stay in place while the rest of the worksheet moves. Once you are on the View tab, find the Freeze Panes button. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you a few different freezing options, depending on what part of the worksheet you want to keep visible while scrolling. From that drop-down menu, select Freeze Top Row. As soon as you click it, Excel will lock the first row in place. You will know it has worked when you see a thin gray line appear just underneath row 1. That line is the visual indicator that the top row is now frozen. Now when you scroll down through your worksheet, the top row will remain visible at the top of the screen. This is especially helpful if row 1 contains headers such as dates, categories, product names, or any other labels that help identify the data in each column. Keeping those labels visible makes your spreadsheet much easier to read and work with. If you are checking whether the feature is active, simply scroll down a little. If the top row stays in place while the rest of the worksheet moves, then the freeze has been applied correctly. One important thing to note is that selecting Freeze Top Row only freezes the first row. Even if your worksheet has multiple header rows, this specific option will keep only row 1 locked in place. Also, if you are looking to freeze both the top row and the first column at the same time, that requires a different freeze setup than the one shown here. For this task, all you need to do is open the View tab, click Freeze Panes, and choose Freeze Top Row. It is quick, simple, and very helpful for everyday spreadsheet work. That covers everything you need to know.